Hello and welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is chicken skewers with Texan style spice rub. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First, let's make the spice rub, and this is simplicity itself. Simply put all the ingredients listed in the description box below in a suitable container and thoroughly mix together. And when this is done, that's one batch of Texan spice rubs ready to go. So next we make the chicken skewers, which is again pretty simple. We're using skinless and boneless chicken thighs for this recipe because we simply think it works better. And to prepare the chicken thighs, using a sharp knife, simply cut each thigh into 3 or 4 strips and place in a suitably sized bowl. Add a tablespoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of the spice mix, use 3 if you want, and thoroughly mix together. And with the meat prepared, simply thread on each piece of chicken onto a bamboo skewer, as you see here. When this is done, simply cover and refrigerate until you're ready to cook. And when you are ready to cook, it's off to a well-oiled, preheated griddle pan. It was at this stage of the proceedings that me and the wife fell out. The conversation went something like this: "Darling, you don't want to put the bamboo skewers overhanging the edge of the griddle pan, they'll burn." To which I got the reply, "Who's cooking these chicken skewers, me or you?" So I thought it best to keep my mouth shut. As you can see, the bamboo skewers burnt nicely. She even burnt a finger on one of them. And the look on her face when she had to move the chicken skewers so they didn't burn anymore could have curdled milk. And all I can say is my marriage bed that night was as cold as a penguin's nose. Continue to cook the chicken on the griddle, turning occasionally until nice and caramelised and cooked through. Then simply serve. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.